Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with waffle ribbing. It is done with HDC in front and back loops alternatingly. I am using Hobby Store Aran Premium Acrylic Yarn 100 light blue and color code is 2006. So to make this you can make any number of chains. I shall make a certain length of chains and get back to you. I have made few chains. Make a HDC in the next second stitch from the hook, yarn over the hook, insert in the back bump. Again yarn over the hook, HDC in the next back bump and continue till the end of the chains. I shall meet you at the end here. I have completed placing one HDC in each of the chains across. Chain 1 and turn. And the very first stitch is going to be a normal half double crochet worked under both the loops, yarn over the hook, and so also the last HDC. Alternatingly, you work one HDC in the back loop of the next stitch, then next in the front loop of the next stitch. Again HDC in the back loop, HDC in the front loop, HDC in the back loop, HDC in the front. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. I've come to the end of the stitch here. I end with HDC in the back loop and then make a normal HDC under both the loops, the very first stitch. Yeah, chain 1 and turn. Make the HDC in the very first stitch. Then again you're going to begin with HDC in the back loop of the stitch. Then in the next stitch it's going to be HDC in the front loop. HDC in the back loop. Continue working in the same way, row after row, starting with HDC in the back loop. You will be ending with HDC in the back loop and again you will be starting with the HDC in the back loop only. So I shall work few more rows and get back to you. I have worked 3 more rows and this is how the pattern develops. This is how the pattern looks. So for this you need odd number of stitches or you should take even number of chains. So only then you begin with back loop HDC and end with back loop HDC, and again the next row also you continue. The repeat row is single row repeat. It is always starting with the back loop HDC as the first stitch and ending with back loop HDC as the last stitch. In between you are alternating back loop, front loop, back loop, front loop. That is how this waffle rib is created. Thank you friends for watching. Have a great day. Shall meet you with yet another pattern in the next video.